Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, Gbolahan Space. My name is Gbolahan, and on this channel, I'll be sharing my experience with you on marketing, e-commerce, how you can make money, and also how to choose the best tech skills in this modern and thriving generation. So before I proceed, I would like to introduce myself so you can get to know me better. I'm a web developer, a digital marketer, and also an e-commerce expert. So over the years, I've been able to acquire these skills. I've connected with a lot of people. I've done so many trial and error. So I don't want you to do this trial and error, and so you stop wasting your time. So on this channel, I'll be dropping a lot of videos that will help you to skyrocket your business, your sales, and also help you, to make money. Everybody wants to make money. I know you want to make money, but don't worry. On this channel, I'll start dropping the videos like back to back, so you can start consuming them, and trust me, these are legit videos in which you start seeing opportunities where you've not been seeing opportunities before. So because there are a lot of opportunity around us which people don't even see as opportunities, so I'll be unleashing a lot of things on this channel. Like I said, I'll be dropping lots of videos on this channel that are filled with information and knowledge, and trust me, you don't want to miss any of them. So right now, if you want to keep getting my videos, kindly click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell and turn on the notification and set it as all. So whenever I'm dropping any kind of videos, you always get notified about the videos. And trust me, these videos are very powerful and you will love them because they are life-changing videos. It will help you for your self-development and self-growth. And also, if you have any issues regarding your business, maybe regarding e-commerce marketing or anything tech, you can drop them in the comment section. So I will check the comment section and go through any topic you want me to talk about. I'll make a video on them especially for you, and you can always get better with the videos. So don't forget to turn on your notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and anytime I'm dropping videos, you always get them. Bye.